We are on the verge of something extraordinary. It's called augmented reality, and it will fundamentally change how we interact with our technology, how we work, play, and tell stories. But to make this really work, it's important to get the foundations right. It takes more than compelling animations to make AR useful, and so far, despite huge effort, we've been seeing fearless engineers mainly, looking at things. Augmented reality is still a strange and passive experience. It's time to take the next step.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Berkon. I'm an engineer and augmented reality enthusiast. A while ago, I was thinking about my own AR project, and I wanted to do something big and immersive, both indoors and outdoors. Just imagine Minecraft in the real world, everywhere around you, or walking through a town as it once looked. The practical and commercial possibilities are limitless. All the technology we need is already here today. Very soon, you'll be able to buy smart glasses, not so different from these. But it's not just about glasses. There are still many serious problems with augmented reality, and they need to be fixed if we want it to happen anytime soon.
Firstly, it's really hard to control something if you can't touch it. The gesture controls being developed by the major headset companies may look intuitive at first, but for many reasons, they are just not up to the job. So I started by designing a new wearable controller and an interaction model to resolve this.
Phantom Touch tracks delicate finger and hand movements no matter where your hands are. Your gestures still feel intuitive, but they are also fast and precise. You get natural haptic feedback from your own hands because the controller uniquely registers the touch of even your bare fingers. This is extremely important for speed, precision, and comfort. And yes, you can type on the go when dictation is not convenient. See more on interactions in the description below.
So that's how you control a computer that you're wearing. But if we really want to make augmented reality happen, we must start building things worth buying the glasses for. Headset makers are doing a great job with display technologies. But when it comes to software, they're still stuck on basics such as the press of a button. As a developer, if you're lucky, you might get some libraries for a game engine. But there's only so much you can do with that. That's why we decided to build Phantom OS, the first operating system designed specifically for augmented reality.
Phantom OS is based on the Android platform and it's independent of the display hardware. It comes with everything you would expect from a modern mobile operating system and much more. The user interface has been completely redesigned to be controlled with Phantom Touch and other similar devices coming in the future. Android developers will be able to start with classic two-dimensional applications as easily as on mobile. Only this time the screen is a bit bigger and sits on your nose, allowing for some completely new use cases. But augmented reality still needs more. Applications need to be aware of the user's surroundings, and Phantom OS provides just that. It maps the space around the user and tracks viewport movements using specialized 3D cameras and sensors, available as a development clip compatible with any headset. But everything really comes together in the cloud, where maps, 3D area scans, and your interactive creations merge into one. Phantom OS then takes care of the rest, delivering users only what they actually need.
As you can see, we are building a massive digital universe within the old physical one. It's already technically doable, but it's also an enormous task and we need your help. Pledge now and be one of the first to receive the Phantom Development Kit and gain early access to this brave new world.
You'll need a compatible mobile device to run Phantom OS, plus any glasses with built-in display technology, and for a while a VR headset or even a cardboard will do. The provided sensory clip with extra cameras will turn it into an affordable AR headset, working with Phantom OS and connected to the cloud. You will also get a pair of Phantom Touch controllers and our SDK. From now on, you are an augmented cyborg, and only your imagination is the limit.
Things will get a bit simpler when consumer AR glasses reach the market. But that's coming really soon, and at that point, your creations will be ready for the excited users. And don't get me wrong, looking at things is important, but together we can do so much more.
You have lost the lead. Enter the portal to begin combat.
Sorry, I gotta go. Join us now and be part of the revolution.